Okay guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Pliertek tool. Very easy to use tool to fix the corners and straight walls on damaged devices. In this case it's an iPad 2. First thing we're going to do is put tip number 1, hold it perpendicular. You can see the tool is already aligned and balanced. Apply pressure with tip number 2. And see how very easy the corners come back straight. We're going to do it on all 4 corners. As I say, very easy to use. See how it comes back. It takes you less than a minute to get all 4 corners straight. So then after you can put your bezel back in there and properly replace the screen. So here you go. This is the iPad. We're going to look at all 4 corners. And again, it's perfectly straight. You can put your bezel back, screen and digitizer. It's going to look very nice. Thank you.